Hello guys, this is the Microbiology Building of the University of Nice, like the medicine faculty. We have the Microbiology Building over here, and once we cross across the side, we can see the one you saw when I was sliding. It was an hospital too for the microbiology. The labs are over there, but we don't go over there usually. And in the front you can see, I don't know, can you see it I'll zoom it for you a little bit. You can see a grayish bluish building. It's a pathology building, and we have classes over there in the third year. Generally for everyone the classes will be there in third year. See, now I think you can see it clearly. We have a lot of students rushing over there and patients coming and going all over the there. So it's nice over here, and now I can show you, but it's not clear, but I will rotate my phone over the other side where we have the faculty of medicine properly. I don't know if I can see you. I can zoom it for you a little bit. The two people standing over there, the behind that is the faculty of medicine. It's just a 2-minute walk from here. So guys, now I'm going to show you the inside the university, a brief. I can't talk inside the university, so it would be disturbing many students who are studying now for the exams, because it's the exam period now. So let me show you the brief how we enter. This is the gate where we open our doors and we enter our beautiful university from here.